So I'm Sarah, Sarah Tanika. I'm Matthew's wife, and Viravata is about it's a song about a man who is lost at sea, and so it's a song about this love that's lost at sea, and it goes Viravata, Nahorala, Viravata, Nahorala, Viravata, Nahorala, Nahoraslandet, Stakkarsnitjeju, Skriker skälting, Aglakasarcha, Janken faikni, Aferrata, and Chikungunya, Chikunmaria,
That's Viravata. It's a beautiful song, but a very sad song. Basically, the woman is waiting for her love to come back from the ocean, and she goes to the highest point that she can find, just look out onto the ocean to see when he's going to come back, and of course he never comes back. You'll find a lot of Gaelic songs are depressing and miserable, like that.
Including Nursery Rhymes.
Yeah. So I was maybe going to do